The summer's off to a hot start, your muscles are sore, but I'm going to show you how you can cool down. I mean, really cool down when you're giving yourself a massage. Let me show you how.
So welcome to Sid's Tips. Thank you so much for joining me. And yes, today we're going to talk about how you can massage your body with this massage gun while staying cooler. And also, if it is a body part that might need heat, you can do that too with this massage gun. And that's in the magic of this new massage head that they've come out with, and look forward to sharing with you. They did send me this Percussion massage gun to put to the test and to share with you, and I look forward to diving in. I'll be sure to share my referral link if you're interested in checking it out and maybe even ordering it. Their massage guns look very similar, and obviously they're always improving on ways to make it even a better experience. So you can see, again, the latest promotions and see what other people have to say about it, especially with this new massage head, which is very, very cool. Now, let me share with you what's included with this massage gun. You get this carrying case, which is very nice. And in there, you'll have 4 additional massage heads on top of the one that does heat and cold. And I'll show you how that works here in a minute. So talk about the massage heads that they come with. You've got this air type of massage head, and this is good for most body parts, but especially you can use this around more sensitive areas. So that is a great one to go with. You've got the next one here, which is like the bullet. And I like to use this one for trigger points, like if my elbow's bothering me or somewhere, a very targeted area as well. That is a good way to go. You also have the foam ball, which is great for most body parts. It's going to be a little bit softer as well since it's not plastic. And then here you've got the U-shaped massage head. This is what they say for around the shoulders or the neck, spine areas. You want to be a little careful. This is plastic, especially around the spine, but that's what that is there for as well. You've got the Type-C cable, which is going to charge both the massage gun and also, yes, that massage head with the heat and cold will need to be charged as well, as there is a charging port. And we'll talk about that here in a minute. Then you got these O-rings in here. They come with 2 additional ones, and what those are for the massage head, for the massage heads to stay in place and don't slip out of the massage gun. So nice case as well. You got a handle, very nicely done, very similar to like their others. Got this great user manual, which has got a lot of good information. It also has in the back different ways that you can use it. So that is very helpful. Talks about different body parts and what attachment and how long. So a lot of good information there. And then you got the very nice box, and you could see there, you've got hot and cold. So nicely done there. Just a few specs. This unit without this massage head comes in at 1.98 pounds, so not too heavy. It does have 2 options for this massage head for hot and cold. The heat can reach between 104 and 113, it says, and cold is 50 to 59, and it really happens very quickly. So depending upon what mode you're going to use, it has a 4,000 milliamp battery. They've improved battery life, and it allows, with the new improvement, it mentions it allows to get a 2.5 times longer battery than the original. Provides 2 to 5 hours of working time, and obviously that's going to depend upon what mode you're most likely going to use. And it takes 2 to 3 hours to fully charge. And as far as amplitude, this is a 10 millimeter amplitude, which is basically how deep it's going to penetrate into the muscle. It does also mention that it does have a max 40 pounds of stall force. Now let's go ahead and talk about the massage gun. It feels really nice in the hand, weighing in right under 2 pounds. It's not going to be too heavy, especially somebody that has an issue with lifting something heavier. This should stay in place. You got this very soft rubberized material. Feels really good, and I like the grip as well. It's not a round grip, but it has almost like a hammer grip, and that feels great. So you've got your charging port there on the bottom. which you would use the type C. And then you also have a connection on this massage head because it does need to be powered in order for you to get the heat and cold. Then also it does have vents because the motor, it is a brushless motor, very quiet, and I'll demonstrate that to you in a minute. And then on the back, you've got this button here, and it's a rubberized button. You press and hold that in for a few seconds. Now it's on. On the bottom of the handle is where you're going to get your battery life. So it shows 25, 50, 75, and 100. So it's down to 75%. And then on top, it will show you the 5 speeds. So we got speed 1, speed 2, speed 3, speed 4, and speed 5. So you can hear it's a little bit louder because of this massage head, but you can see it's not too bad, it's manageable. And boy, at that 5th speed, you really are getting quite the massage. You can really feel that vibration, and where you're getting that 10 millimeter amplitude as well. And then if you want to turn it off, you press the button again and that turns it off. Now, let's just say you have this on. I'm going to turn it back on here, and you are at level 3. Another way, instead of having to go through all the levels, you can just press and hold the button in, and then you're good to go. Now, I'm just going to change the massage head so you can hear that it's not that loud as compared, you know, when you have that vibrating air, so you can get a feel. Now, by the way, when you put a massage head in, you want to make sure to turn as you're pushing in, and then you want to turn when you pull out. You don't want to pull straight out. So you turn that in, make sure that's in there good. Now, I'll go ahead and turn it back on. So you can hear, it's very quiet with these other massage heads if you're just holding it. Again, probably because, you know, it's plastic and this type of material. The massage head here has 2 different buttons, one for heat and one for cold. To turn it on, you're going to press and hold one of them. And this one is the heat, the one on the left. So you got low heat there, and then you got high heat. And you could see yellow or red. Now, if you want to switch to cold, you can press this other button. You'll hear a fan, by the way, come on, because it's cooling down. And you could feel the difference. It was a little warmer, now it's really cool. And then you can go to super cool as well. And then the fan goes on. So very, very cool. And then you go ahead and make sure that this is on. Actually, it went to heat. So let's just say I want it to be very cold for a certain muscle. You just can go ahead and you really feel that on the skin, that cold, and it feels really, really great. Now with this plastic, you know, you just want to be careful around bone, but if you want your body to feel great, you're getting that sensation of a massage, but now you're getting the benefit of that heat or cold, in this case cold. This is a great way to make it colder as well on your feet. So if you want to just give yourself a nice massage, I love massaging my feet and it feels really good. Actually, my watch is vibrating there. That feels really great, but that cold feels so, so good. And that could make a difference when you are dealing with a pulled muscle, a sore muscle. And again, what's nice, you can choose if you want to use the heat or cold. Now, let's just say it's off. So it's gonna, the motor will stop in a second, so I turned it off. So you can turn it on again with either one. So before it turns it on with the heat, if I want to turn it on with the cold directly, you press it on for just a couple of seconds and then it's on. Now it's on the low cold. If I want to switch to heat, and that feels good too, you can take advantage of that. So really, really great. So many different ways that you can take advantage of a percussion massage gun. And then, you know, of course, if you've got a sore shoulder, you can do that. If you got someone to assist you, you can help with that as well. But that heat and cold adds such a nice dimension to this massage gun. So definitely check it out. If you are looking for a massage gun, you want to get a gift for yourself, you want to give a gift, this is such an awesome differentiation versus other percussion massage guns. I've got several here at home since I've reviewed, but this one is a keeper because I love that new massage head, which is awesome. And if you have any questions, let me know, but I think this is a very nice massage gun, really, really well done. And let me know if you have any questions, but kudos to Bob and Brad. And if you find that this video is of help for what you're looking for as far as this massage gun, appreciate, give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber and find added value, click that subscribe button. It helps the channel and video. And of course, the bell icon to be notified of new videos just like this one. So stay healthy, enjoy your massage gun, and have a great day.